ActiveCampaign, an email marketing software, allows one to create a form using ActiveCampaign. This video is brought to you by SoftwareHorsepower. Let's see how one can get form and where to search for it. In the sidebar, click on the Site section, where one can find the form. To create a form, one needs to click on the Create a Form button. And after that, write a subject of the form. For example, if one wants to subscribe to our newsletter, the subject name of the form will be Subscribe to our newsletter. There are different forms that are available in Active Templates. The very first is Inline Form, on which the demo is presented right now. And here one can choose the action that is subscribed to the list. Here, one can select which list one wants to send to this form. Let's suppose one selects the Ginny option. After that, one will have to click on the Create button. There are other styles to modify the form. Here is the subject of the form, where one can add a descriptive message. Click on the right bar to add the subject of your form. The subject is where one should send the news and update. Now we have the option of a field where a full name is required. One can make this section required by clicking on the full name, and the user can mark it as required. So here the details are required. There are different fields which one can use, that ActiveCampaign has provided to use in the form. For example, one wants to use the option CAPTCHA in the form. One can do that by clicking the drag and drop method, to add any of these fields in our form. Now these are the styles, where one can change the colors and font, and background of the form, according to the requirement. Then the next tab is Options. This will show the user what message one wants to show, after submitting the form. Here let's use the thank you message, or can just give a URL to which user wants the clients to visit. Then there are actions, that we are sending these forms to our list. Then the next option is the opt-in form. This is a consent form, in which one wants to send to the subscriber who wants to receive the marketing emails. Then we have this advanced feature where by clicking on this, we are allowing blank fields which customers left blank to overwrite the data. This way one can create a form using the ActiveCampaign. Contact Software Horsepower to book a demo or visit softwarehorsepower.com.